if it's something that you believe in and you're interested in, it should just come naturally. My name is Chantelle Nicholson. I'm the chef patron here at Tredwells, which is a restaurant based in Covent Garden in London. I cannot actually remember the first time I came across the word umami. It was probably about 10 to 12 years ago, I would say, to hazard a guess. For me, it wasn't something I knew much of previous to coming to London. But for me, it made sense. When I heard about it, I absolutely understood it. So it was something that I could grasp immediately. Umami for me now it plays a hugely important role in dish creation, dish development for the restaurant, because it is something that, again, you've got to have that level of satisfaction. I think that real depth of flavour that you do get from the umami sense that's inherent in ingredients, but also that can be emphasised and maximised with how we as chefs cook. It's that level of richness, and I think it's something that can transform a dish. And again, that could be with a technique or it could be with an ingredient, but it's that balance between them all that creates that rounded satisfaction.